Bio down.
And that bitch nigga, he mad because he can't step back around like a reaper. ACB shit.
KVC and no 4-5, so this bitch hold like 40 rounds. I ain't feel like fucking that little bitch, so I just took the little bitch down. You need some weed, you better lock in, cause bitch we got pounds on top pounds.
And that bitch nigga, he mad because he can't step back around. I'm fucking this bitch and he banging the line. I caught out the bro cause his legs be lying. They call me the Reaper, get credit for a dime.
Chase a bitch nigga right out the block. Back in the day had a rock in the sock. I was towing a cotton pot, but I ain't about a Glock.
Smith and Wessons, I pulled that out the bag. That bitch nigga play, he get ran out the track. I'm towing the 40, bitch, it like a tag. I ran out the street, left his head in his
Just get
lap.
a piece of mine, I ain't stingy, I hand out the sauce. We're in the chat like a motherfucking boss. If he got the pounds, we gon' take his ass off. You gon' go from the left, I'ma go from the right. He tryna run, we gon' hit this bitch ass off the bike. And we breaking the law, spent those block and we letting off shots. Got a Glock with a drum, he ain't made it that far. Fuck that, I got a F and switch 5-7 in this bitch. I ain't missing out one, he done. Dropping that dish, ain't standing on shit. Make a post on this block, yeah, you know how we come. They be talking the shit in the desk with them niggas be bitch. You know they ain't standing on nothing.
I said for the birds, cut a bitch out cause she get on my nerves. She ate up the dick cause that's all she deserves. That's all she deserves. That's all she Man, I said for the birds, cut the bitch out cause she get on my nerves. She eat up the dick cause that's all she deserves. She said that she miss me, that's all that I heard. You don't miss shit, but you wanted the bed. Doing these shows, can't get left in the past. I'm on my way, yeah, I'm hitting the gas. I get in the car and then put on my mask. I call MoneyQwaun, he gon' finish the test.
Said I got a Glock with a switch and that bitch got a date. And I promise you know I'm fine. And I got a lot of them bitches, he diss on the game. That probably be his last night. They know ACB ride with the switches, he get one of mine. And I promise we spend every night. Niggas know that the trap really bang. They come through this bitch MoneyQwaun, we getting you right. All of my niggas, they come from the ugly. And then all the baddest bitches wanna fuck with me. I stay with the gun on my hip like a stud. I mean, it's a shot of the donut, she touching me. It's on the game and we getting alright. Nigga tapping the switch, now we not tryna fight. Really cool as a bitch, I be stunning with ice. If you want got a load, then we getting alright now. Put a switch on the Glock and that bitch got a bench, so you know I ain't